Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove estimated taxes, Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, go to Products tab from your Shopify dashboard. Find the product you want to update and click on it. A window will pop up. Scroll down to the pricing section. Here you'll see an option called Charge Tax on this product. If it's checked, simply uncheck it and click Save. If you want to remove taxes for all products, go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings. In Settings, select Taxes and Duties. A window will pop up. Scroll down to the Global Settings selection. Here you'll see options related to charging taxes. Deselect any tax options you don't want to apply and click Save when you're done. Next, go back to your home page and click on Online Store in the sidebar. Click the three dots next to your current theme and select Edit Default Theme Content. Use the search bar to search for tax. If you want to change how taxes appear on your store, you can edit the wording here. For example, you can update any mention of taxes to say tax-free if needed. Once you've made your changes, click Save. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.